Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade A34 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner, where you must choose Settings option, Family and their parental controls. As you can see, now you have page 3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3 to change it. Tap on it and enter a connect pin to your parental controls. And now we can change it to maybe allow all included, underrated, confirm I got it and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!